When an engineer first installs a SkyQ hub into your home, that engineer will leave your router set up using its default settings. So in this video, we're going to demonstrate how you can access the advanced settings of a SkyQ hub router. In order to access the advanced settings of our SkyHub router, we will need to use a computer with a web browser. We will also need to ensure that that computer is connected to our SkyQ hub either wirelessly or using a network cable. Now, if in the address bar of our browser we type 192.168.0.1, when we press enter on our keyboard, we are presented with the summary page of our SkyHub. Within the summary page we have information regarding our wireless access point and the devices currently connected to it. In order to access the advanced settings, if we select Advanced from the menu, we will be prompted for a username and password. If in the username field we type admin, and then in the password field type Sky, when we select Login, we will gain access to the advanced settings of the SkyQ hub.